I really need to start filming videos, you know, not right before I want to post them. I just wasn't thinking about it today. But my friend from Australia, who I met on Facebook, she called me and she was showing me around her property. And it's really nice. They're on lockdown right now, too. We're going to do these dishes, but first we're going to put these dishes away. And when I say they're on lockdown, she said they're on, like, major lockdown. Like, if you're caught outside going somewhere non-essential and or it's past curfew and it's non-essential, you are getting fined. Like, fined. I forget how much she said. It was kind of a ridiculous amount, though. But I mean, I guess it's understandable. It's just crazy to me. Because then you look at Pennsylvania and you see all these dickweeds outside. I mean, you're like allowed outside, right? Yeah? Yeah, we're allowed outside. But like, you see them in the stores and just hanging out or throwing parties. You're not supposed to be throwing parties right now. Do they care? No, they just want to get drunk and have a good time. And it's like, you're infecting all of these people and you don't even know it. But they just don't care. It's really a problem. It's kind of driving me insane. And now, she doesn't live in a big town in Australia. She lives in like a small little thingy. And her sister's actually stuck there with her. It's nuts. It's nuts that they're finding there, but you know, good old United States won't do anything. They're just gonna shut down longer, and then you guys are all gonna be out of a job for longer. Because nobody wants to freaking listen. It's really frustrating. I have concerts that I want to go to, okay? My concerts haven't been rescheduled yet. Even though my surgery has, my concerts haven't been, and I don't want my concerts to, because then I will not want to be around. I literally live for concerts, and I haven't been to one in almost a year. And it's just, I need it. I need them in my life. Today we were actually outside a lot of the day. Was it nice where you guys were? Where you guys are? Not were. Is it nice where you all are? It was really, really nice today. Which is surprising because all last night it freaking stormed. It stormed so bad where my baby dad is. They had a tornado. His brother called me last night. He was like, I'm freaking out. He was like, there's a tornado warning here. And then the power went out. And he was like, I'm at 13%. I gotta get off the phone. And he didn't have power, I think he said, until like sometime this morning. The children are still awake. It is 9:03. I have to come up with something for my assignment. I gotta do some sociology because we've literally just been outside all day today. For the most part, they did some schoolwork, which today technically was their last day in school, but they'll probably do some schoolwork. But today was technically their last day in school because of Easter being on Sunday. Now it's gonna get loud because I'm filling up the street. I don't know if you guys watch Trisha Paytas, but I've followed her for I don't know how many years. I mean, I go off the bandwagon and I don't watch her, but I still subscribe to her. But oh my god, this girl really said, like I said yesterday, I am no chef and I don't claim to ever be one. But this girl in her video today literally said, I don't have any vegetable oil, so I'm just going to use vanilla extract. I don't know about y'all, but I don't think vanilla extract is a substitute for vegetable oil when you're making matzo balls. I don't even know what matzo balls are, but from what someone on Facebook told me, they are like noodles, like balls of dough, like dumplings, I guess. How would y'all feel with vanilla extract instead of vegetable oil? And she didn't even measure it. She just kind of was like, bleh. Yeah. And then in the same video, she bit into a red onion. Like, what did I even watch? Sometimes I just sit here and question what life is, because what even was that? And I haven't watched the Jake Paul video where he supposedly gives pocket pussies to people. But what's that about? I was watching Peter Mon talk about that, and I was just like, huh? Because doesn't Jake Paul like talk to 12-year-olds? Isn't that usually what his group of people is? At least I thought so. I used to watch Jake Paul just because he's from Ohio. I don't know. I kind of grew out of Jake Paul, but I will say his song, the I'm Single, is very catchy and it's usually in my head. Does not help that Finley is like obsessed with him. And with Logan Paul, it is what's the song? Santa's Diss Track. My kids, well, Finley. Finley loves that song. I don't know why. It's me, Logan Paul. 24 Christmases I ain't hear from you at all. Maybe because I'm naughty, or maybe because I'm nice, or maybe because I met Mrs. Claus and hit it twice. Y'all. It's way too catchy. How did I get here? I don't even know how I got here. This is how bad I need some adult conversation in my life. For my English class, I need to make an infograph, and they want us to do an infograph on something that we wrote an essay for. And if you guys remember the last essay that I wrote, I half-assed it, and I turned it in late, and I'm probably going to get a double F on it for being a minute late, by the way. And it was half done, but that's besides the point. So now I'm sitting here, and I'm like, how am I supposed to come up and bullshit an infograph for this class? We just have to have like a rough idea and explain stupid things, and it's just a whole bunch of hoopla, and I just don't even know what to do. I got like 3 hours until it's due, because like you have to have your original stuff. I don't know. This class is too much, and I'm so glad that it's going to be over soon. I have a month left. I think I have a month left, and then it's done. And I thank God. Also, I was just talking about Logan Paul, and that's the hoodie that I'm wearing today. I think I was wearing that in yesterday's video too, because this is life is quarantine. But now I'm gonna wear it to work tomorrow, and then immediately take it off, take a shower, and put it in the washer. So, in the next video tomorrow, you will not see it on me, or maybe you will, because I might pre-film that video since I do work tomorrow. I'm probably gonna pre-film the video. I don't know. It depends on how long it takes me to bullshit this infographic bullshit. And I spoke about how my baby dad's brother called me. Well, so he called me and said that, and then I hadn't heard from him to make sure he was okay, and like the trailer park didn't flood and whatnot. So randomly today, I called him. I gave him no warning or anything. I just kind of called him to see what was going on, because I wanted to make sure everything was okay over there, since, like I said, there was a tornado warning, and a tornado did, like, I don't know if it was a tornado, but yeah, it said tornado. Okay, so like a tornado touched down by kind of where they live. And I was just calling to check up on him. Little did I know, my baby dad was sitting next to him, so that's why he didn't answer. But I guess my baby dad was like, who's calling? And he said, Taylor. And my baby dad was like, why are you talking to my baby mom? Mind you, his brother and I have had a close relationship for a long time, and I don't see why it matters. Like, your brother calls more than you do to see how the kids are. But You ain't talking about that. Your brother asked if we were okay and had things while this pandemic was going on, but you didn't. I'm just gonna throw all the shade. Like, why is he mad though? Why he mad though? Like, I ain't allowed to just call and check up on your brother? That doesn't make no sense to me, because he's family. Like, I think my baby dad is mad that his family took me in, like, ASAP. Like, the minute Chris and I became involved, his family took me in. And I think he's mad about it because we've been broken up for what? Ooh, when did we break up? Finley was born in, what, 2014? So we've been broken up for almost 5 years. And I think that's why he's so mad. But his brother is the only one out of his family that I still talk to because his mom's passed away. His stepdad don't talk to none of us. Well, I think he has called them, but I haven't spoke to him since after their mom died. I think I've spoke to him like twice maybe. I do want to get in contact with him because I'd like to bring the kids out there, see what Tucson, Arizona is all about. But with all this going on in the world, I don't even want to go there in the summer. I kind of want to see what next year holds, even though right now is like the prime time to buy flight, like tickets, airline tickets, not flight tickets. Go Taylor. You know how to speak words. And I talked to his grandma. She likes to send us like, not care packages, but she sends us like stuff in the mail. Usually a little bit of money, like $10 here or in there, and like cards for the holidays for the kids. I think he's just mad that they accept me, they love me, and they know that I ain't going anywhere because, well, I have the kids and he does not, right? Yeah? That's the problem with him. He doesn't even care to check up on these kids. But he's all like, I miss them, blah, blah, blah. But Wilbur, if you live where the coronavirus is heavy, you probably won't be seeing these kids for a while. Plus, even in our court order, I made a video on that a long time ago, last year, 2 years ago, something like that, and it hasn't changed since. I'm just nice sometimes and let him have them, just because mommy needs a break sometimes, but that's not happening because of this virus right now. Oh my god, what are these kids doing? They're supposed to be sleeping, but I don't know if you can hear those footsteps. They're definitely not. Driving me insane. Xander fell down the stairs today. I was sitting on my computer and he was coming down the steps and all of a sudden I hear I was like, whoa, what happened? And I ran over to the steps and he's standing up and he's like, I fell down the steps. And I was like, what? Ow! And he was like, my socks, I don't know. We told him to stop wearing socks on the steps then. And just like wear slippers around the house, but I don't know what the solution would be here. These stairs are different than the ones at the other house. I need to make a video for you guys. Actually, no. If you look at the video I made of the empty house apartment tour, you can see this difference in the stairs, and I'm wondering if that's why. I really don't even know. Like it's just crazy. Like, how is he falling off? And like right now, I don't want to take him to the doctor to see about his equilibrium because I just don't want him to be able to like catch anything. My kids have immunocompromised, and they just don't need to be around anything right now. Like they're not even allowed in stores, which I mean, they're allowed, I guess, but I don't allow them. But some states I saw they're doing like a 16-year and up ban. So if you're not 16 years old or above, you can't go into a store. Is it like that where you guys are? Let me know, because I want to know how different it is from where I am, like my town, and where you guys are. I'm very curious. That's why I wanted to tell you about my friend in Australia. She was showing me where she lives, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. But like nothing is close to her. How y'all doing being stuck at home with your kids? Think I'm gonna lose my mind, and I think that's why I've been keeping up with my dishes. If y'all saw the rest of the house though. Oh my god, the rest of the house is ridiculous. But at the same time, I have my kids full time now. Like I don't get a break. I don't have school. Like before, I thought I had no time, even though I was home 3 days a week without children. And that's when I would do some of my homework and all that. And I should have been doing housework. Well, guess what? Now I have no time to do nothing at all whatsoever. Should have already had it done. Oh, my brain. I can't fathom anything at the moment. Hope you guys are holding up. Oh. And if you haven't checked out that Trisha video, definitely do that. But I will see you guys tomorrow, probably in the same outfits that I'm in today. So you'll probably see this hoodie. Bye, y'all.